Okay, so we're going to correct these sentences. Now we've got at the number one, it says, "Don't put your feet on the furniture," said grandmother. Now I'm going to keep pointing this out for a while, then eventually I'm going to set you loose on these. But there is dialogue in number one. There is a speech tag. So what do you think the speech tag is? See if you can find it before I underline it. Okay, I'm going to underline the speech tag. Hopefully this is what you said the speech tag was. Said grandmother. That is who's talking. Grandmother is talking. So now you got to ask yourself, okay, what did grandmother say? Ask yourself that, and then you need to tell yourself, okay, well, whatever grandmother said, I need quotations around that. I also want to point out, too, that rule that I hate a lot. But I'm just going to show you right now because it drives me crazy and I want you to remember it because it's going to come up from time to time. Now, grandmother is saying, don't put your feet on the furniture. Grandmothers are typically kind, wonderful, most precious human beings on the planet. And so normally they say things with kindness. So I'm going to say grandmother did not exclaim this. And I want you to assume the same thing. So what that means is this is just a basic statement. Don't put your feet on the furniture. And because normally we would just put a period there, because it's in quotations, we need a comma. Okay? It's one of those rules that drives me crazy. I don't know why that's the rule, but it is. So put a comma there instead of a period, because normally a period would go there. Okay, that's all I'm going to give you on that one. Okay, look at number two. It says, this doesn't look like nothing I've ever seen before. There are some basic problems here. This is the way we speak when we're talking casually, with friends or family, whatever. This is not proper English, though. We would never write like this. We would never speak like this in a professional setting. So fix the obvious things here. Capitalize and punctuate what you know to do. And then look at number three. It says, write the possessive noun. The way these are written out are a little bit goofy. So I'm going to type out what you should type out, but you still have to add something. Now, when we're talking about possessives or nouns that show ownership over something, we need to add something to the word. So it says the new coat belonging to Sharon. So the new coat belonging to Sharon, let me make that a little bit bigger. The new coat belonging to Sharon, what they want you to say is, let me change the color real quick, sorry. They want you to say this. So when you do this, that's what it should say, but you need to add something because whose coat is it? It's Sharon's coat. So we need to add some type of punctuation there. I'm not going to show you what it is or where it goes, but you do need something else in there. But those are the two words you should have typed in. But you need to add something. Okay, let's look at number four. This is very basic stuff. Just put in the correct word. And then number five. This is a figure of speech. This is an idiom. This is just a common expression that's not so common anymore. It used to be used more, I guess. You'd better button up your lip. That's pretty obvious. I think what that means. You need to put in your own words what you think this figure of speech means. All right, have at it, guys.